In this video, we're going to learn how to simplify expressions and collect like terms. Expressions involve variables and numbers. These are some examples of expressions. 2a, so 2 times a, remember. 2 times a plus 4, which just means 2 lots of a plus 4. 5 minus 2x, which means 5 take away 2 lots of x. A plus b, and then 3y over 5x just means 3 times y divided by 5 times x. We can add expressions where the letter or the variable is the same. For example, 9x plus 5x means 9 lots of x plus 5 lots of x, which is simply 14 lots of x. So 9x plus 5x is 14x. 7x take away 3x is going to be 7 lots of x take away 3 lots of x, which is 4 lots of x. 2y plus 8y take away y, I can work out in steps. 2y plus 8y is 10y. And if I then subtract 1 lot of y, which is y, I get 9y. Minus 5y plus 12y is a little bit trickier. I need to remember my rules of negative numbers. So if I consider a number line, minus 5 plus 12 is just going to be the same as 12 take away 5, which is going to be 7. So minus 5y plus 12y is the same as 12y take away 5y, which is 7y. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. These expressions look a little bit trickier, but they're not any trickier really. 2xy plus 4xy is simply 6xy. You can consider xy or x times y as a letter in its own right. Similarly, the second expression looks really complicated, but just notice we have x cubed y squared, x cubed y squared, and x cubed y squared. Basically, each of these terms involve the same variable, x cubed y squared. So we simply have 4x cubed y squared plus 9x cubed y squared, which is 13x cubed y squared, plus 2x cubed y squared is 15x cubed y squared. And that's our final answer. Notice we don't change the powers here. Here are some more practice questions for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. You often have expressions with different variables. We need to remember that you can only collect or add together or subtract together what we call like terms. These are terms that have exactly the same letter or variable. Essentially, you can only add x's with x's and y's with y's. Here are some examples. I have 2x plus 3y plus 4x plus y. Firstly, I'm going to consider the x terms. So I'm going to underline all of the terms that involve the letter x. So I've got 2x plus 4x. That's 6x. 3y plus y. That's plus 4y. So my answer is 6x plus 4y. And we can't actually go any further. The next question, again, I'm going to consider the x's first. 8x minus 3x, be careful that's a minus. That's going to be 5x plus 2y plus 7y is plus 9y. And again, that's my final answer. Lastly, I have minus 3x, take away 2x, take away 5x, and I can work that out with a number line. I've got minus 3, take away 2, that's minus 5, and if I then take away another 5, I will get minus 10. So I have minus 10x. There doesn't seem to be any sign in front of the 8y, which means that it's really a plus. So I can think of this as minus 10x plus 8y, or equally 8y take away 10x. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Pause the video now, and when you're ready to go through the answers, press play. Here are the answers. In the first question, I have 5a plus 3a is 8a. 6b take away 2b is 4b, so I have 8a plus 4b. Secondly, I have 2x take away x, which is 1x, or just x. Minus 9y take away 4y is minus 13y. Next, 2x take away 5x, that's minus 3x plus 8y, which again you could consider to be 8y take away 3x. Next, remember x squared and x are like different letters, so 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 8x squared. In E, I have 9y take away 3y squared. And then in F, again, z and z squared are different letters. 4z take away 3z is just z. 2z squared plus 2z squared is plus 4z squared. Lastly, I have 2z, and then 2z squared take away 2z squared is 0. So my final answer would be 2z.